Hi, my name's Kaylee and we're at Conklin Hall. This is our front desk. This is where you can check out items for the ping pong table and the kitchen. This is also where you would check in if you come in after midnight and where you can also check in guests. There's also someone here all the time, so they're really easy to talk to. And these are your mailboxes. This is where you get your small mail like your letters, and you share this with your roommate. And then this is the computer lab. It's full of computers that are free for you to use at any time. And there's also one printer in here that you can use to print. And this is our laundry room that's full of washers and dryers. This is my roommate Kirsten. Hi. She's using our ice machine. So on your phone, you can get the BGSU app. And there's like a little icon that says laundry, and if you tap it, it'll be able to tell you like when your how many washers are ready and when your washer or dryer will be done. And then this is your PED. It's your personal entry device. You have to use it to get in the front doors after midnight, to use the laundry room and the computer room, and then to get on the elevator and to get on every floor. And then this is my room. So the bed and this little rolling dresser and this dresser and the wardrobe, and then obviously the desks, come with the room. We brought our own futon, and then you get a trash can and a recycling bin. And then I brought out my own printer. We brought our own TV and DVD player and Wii. And then I have my own fridge and microwave, and then I have my own Keurig. The only thing that I do to decorate is I really like to hang pictures. It just makes me feel like that's what I do at home, so it helps to make me feel at home. And then we also hung some lights up behind, and like they're really fun to light on movie nights because then it just like sets the mood a little bit. Other than that, I really like the hardwood floors in here because it's like really nice compared to the carpet. They are kind of hard to clean. So I do recommend a Swiffer. So this is like a floor lounge where people on the floor will like come and hang out. So I live in a dorm that's like both male and female. So this is open to both the male and female side. And a lot of people just come in here and watch movies and stuff. This is like our, we call them informal lounges because it has a TV. And this is also where you can play ping pong. And this is the kitchen. There's a microwave in here if you don't bring your own microwave. And then they have an oven and then a sink. So you can wash your dishes down here, and then you can make like pasta or something.